Day 28 of Patasi and a very happy Navaratri to you and your family. Today I'm sharing a Butter Ghee Soji recipe. In my husband's family, my mother-in-law prepares this special dish especially for her prayers, so I thought I'll share it with you guys today. Start by adding the semolina to a medium heated kadai or pot and toast it for about 5 minutes. When the semolina is slightly golden, gradually introduce the butter ghee a little bit at a time and mix it through. Once the butter ghee is melted and everything is mixed together, you need to cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes while keeping it stirred. Flavor the soji mixture with ground Elachi powder, stirring it in, and allow it to simmer for an additional 5 minutes. As the butter ghee melts and cooks with the semolina, it seamlessly blends, creating a rich velvety smoothness to the soji. Now it's time for you to add in the sugar. Add the sugar a little at a time, mixing everything together, and at this point the mixture will probably look like wet sand. The soji mixture needs to cook for a couple more minutes, and then you can gradually pour in the warm milk, or while continuing to mix, keep mixing until the mixture thickens and you have a classic soji texture. Whilst you're stirring, when you're satisfied with the texture, add in some sliced almonds. You can also add in some sultans that have been soaked, and there you have it, my mother-in-law's Butter Ghee Soji that we often use for our prayers. I hope you guys enjoy this. And if you've never had Butter Ghee Soji before, you are certainly in for a treat. Enjoy!